Kia ora YouTube. Today I am super excited to share with you the release of the Manaaki membership. Yes, the first subscription-based support model for the Starting in Te Reo Māori kaupapa. Launched in 2017, so close to 8 years we've been running this kaupapa, helping people like you learn Te Reo Māori to have a greater awareness, a greater understanding and a greater connection to their culture. Today is an exciting day. I'm launching the Manaaki memberships. It's exclusive to YouTube, okay? So across many different platforms, Patreon, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you can set up these subscription-based services. This is the only one, cross-platform. So you can't find it anywhere else. So you go on my YouTube channel here and click join and it will come up there, Manaaki membership. You click the button there to join, $3.99 a month. YouTube takes about 30% of that, so it's about $2.80. So I'm certainly not going to be becoming a multi-millionaire overnight from this kaupapa, but what it does do for you, the follower, the supporter, it means you now become a financial contributor to the success, to the ongoing sustainability of this kaupapa. And in the spirit of reciprocity, it gives me access directly to you. Yes, by signing up to this, you get these little badges next to your name and I get your details to know exactly who you are, and then that way I can provide you with unique content that's for members only. So if there's only one person that signs up, it's you and me, baby. If there's 10, it's the 10 of us or the 11 of us together, and not the full 100,000 plus subscriber base that follows the Starting in Te Reo Māori kaupapa across platforms. It's just you, me, and our little roku here that have joined the Manaaki membership. So what else will you get? You'll get these loyalty badges next to your name. So again, remember, it's exclusive to YouTube. So whenever you interact with me on YouTube, you leave a comment below, people will be able to see these loyalty badges. They change colors over time to represent how long you've been a subscriber, how long you've been a supporter. You also get access to these custom emojis that no one else can use, the ch, the kal, the tika, and the pono, two hands. And plus you get member only exclusive content in the form of videos, images, and text through the community tab, which is up here through the community tab. And plus you get exclusive members only videos. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, if you want to come along and support the kaupapa even more, if you'd like a greater direct line of contact between yourself and me, then come along on my YouTube channel only, not on Facebook, not on TikTok, not on anything else, not on the website even. It's exclusively through YouTube. Come to my page, click join, click the join button here, join the Manaaki membership, and I look forward to seeing you behind the scenes. Kia ora.